Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Snapchat notification sound. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, we will go to Snapchat. Now tap on the Bitmoji and go to Setting. You will notice that there is no such option of changing the notification sound, so exit the app and open Settings in your device. Now go to Notifications. Scroll down until you see Snapchat. Open it. Unfortunately, there is no option of changing the notification sound of Snapchat on iOS devices, but this option is available on all Android phones. Now, if you are using Android devices, go ahead and look for the option called Notifications you basically have. This option is on every Android phone. Just look for it, and then tap on Notifications. Once you tap on Notifications, you will be able to see the apps as well, so just tap on the Snapchat app. Now make sure it is set to allow sound and vibration, but since we're learning to change the notification sound, just tap on Notification Categories and select the type of notification on which you want to change the sound. For example, under Messaging, you have all notifications, best friend messages, snaps in chats, quiet notifications, or sound notifications. If you want to change all of the messaging notifications, just tap on the All Notifications button, or you can go to individual ones such as snaps and chats. But if you want to change the sound, just tap on the option called Sound Currently, which means it's the default sound from the application. But in order to change it, just tap on the sound option. And over here, go ahead and select any of the sound and ringtones available on your device. But keep in mind that this process is only applicable for Android users. If you're on iOS, you do not have these settings. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.